Want to clear mucus from your lungs and give an instant boost to your immune system? We all know that our immune system is the first line of defense against all types of infections and diseases. Well, this is the main reason why we need to take really good care of it. Our immune system is what's keeping us safe against the attacks of all the bacteria and microorganisms we come into contact with. And if our immune system isn't working properly, this means that we are at higher risk of getting sick. Our immune system is made out of a network of cells, tissues and organs that work together to protect the body. The lungs are extremely important organs in the human body because they're responsible for inhaling and storing oxygen while exhaling carbon dioxide from the body through the nose. Well, this means that if there's mucus build up in our nose, it can cause a blockage, making it difficult for us to breathe and affecting the lungs as well. The experts highly recommend that if you're experiencing problems with mucus buildup and you believe your immune system needs a boost, then you should definitely try this homemade remedy. This simple but very effective homemade remedy will boost and strengthen your immune system and clear your respiratory system of the mucus buildup. It's safe for both adults and children because it's completely natural and overall health benefits. We all know that our kids sometimes play in the dirt and they come in contact with all kinds of microorganisms, which is the main reason why they fall sick quite often. Their immune system is evolving and it makes them stronger against all diseases. The most common health problems that usually affect children are cold and cough. Usually they're nothing serious, but if the cold and cough lasts for longer, it could mean that there's mucus buildup in the lungs, which can be serious if not treated properly. What's mucus? Mucus is a secretion produced by our bodies. Up to 1 or 2 liters of mucus is made every single day. Usually we spit it out, but when a person suffers from cold or an allergy, it tends to clog our breathing tubes and can become a general nuisance. This is normal even though uncomfortable, but if it lasts for longer it can become a serious problem, especially if you see greenish colour phlegm or blood mixed with mucus. In this case, you should immediately go see a doctor and check your lungs. The main function of our immune systems is to protect the body against diseases or against the foreign bodies which can cause potential harm. But this means that you should be very careful and give your immune system a boost so it can protect you against all types of diseases. We are going to show you how to make the best homemade remedy which will boost your immune system and protect you against all types of diseases. You will need the following ingredients: 1 glass of honey, 1 glass of water, oats. Directions: here's what you need to do. First you need to wash the oats thoroughly and mix them together with 1 glass of honey and 1 glass of water. Make sure to use a glass of 100 ml capacity. Boil the mixture for several minutes and leave it as it is overnight. The next morning strain the drink and store it in a glass bottle. Store the mixture in the fridge and it will last for the entire week. How to use it? The experts say that you should drink 30 to 40 ml of this beverage on an empty stomach every morning for 40 days. After that, take a 15-day break and do it for another 40 days. You can give this drink to children as well, and they will have a strong immune system that will protect them from any kind of viruses and bacteria. The best part is that you won't have to repeat the process again and again.